Today we are starting with derivation of equations of motion by graphical method. The first equation of motion is v is equals to u plus at, where v is the final velocity of the object, u is the initial velocity, a is the acceleration with which the object is traveling, and t is the time taken by the object to travel. So let us start. We have considered a velocity time graph. See, we can derive this equation of motion assuming that the object is, let's say, at point A initially. So if the object is at point A, its initial velocity would be OA. And let us assume, let's say in t seconds, this entire time is t seconds. In t seconds, the object has traveled from point A to point B. So that means if I just join this with a dotted line, in time t, the object's final velocity is now this. We can consider it at point C. In time t, object has traveled from A point to B point, right? So it has covered a final velocity. It is moving with the final velocity of v meters per second. Now our aim is to find relationship between them. So what we are going to do, we are just going to draw some perpendicular lines. You may use a dotted line and we can mark it as point, let's say D. Now let us assume that object is having uniform acceleration A. It is initially at point capital A. So OA is its initial velocity and finally it has reached point B. So this BC is the final velocity and A is the uniform acceleration which the object is moving in time t. Now let us start with the derivation. See, we have to start with V. Now here according to the graph, V is represented by this BC line. So we can say BC is equals to BD plus DC. Let us try to distribute this. BC is V. So we have got already our LHS. We want to bring here U plus AT. BD. See, if I see this BD, this is U. So parallelly, this CD also has to be U. Now the entire BC is V. ये पूरा V है, ये U है, तो BD की वैल्यू क्या आई हमारी V माइनस U. इस पूरे V में से ये U माइनस कर देंगे तो ये क्या बचेगा V माइनस U. तो हम इसकी वैल्यूज लगा देते हैं यहाँ पे D की जगह V माइनस U और CD की जगह U. हमारे को क्या मिल चुका है, U मिल चुका है और V मिल चुका है, यानी कि हमें इस V माइनस U की जगह AT चाहिए. We already know that acceleration is equals to V minus U upon T. So can we calculate the value of V minus U from here? We are going to take T there और हमारी वैल्यू आती है AT is equal to V minus U. तो V को हम एज इट इज रखेंगे, V minus U की जगह AT लगाएंगे प्लस यही हमें शो करना था. Derivation of second equation of motion, which is S is equals to ut plus half at square. S is the distance traveled by an object. So if we assume that the object is initially at point A having initial velocity of u and finally it has reached point B with final velocity of small v, and we also assume that object is moving with a uniform acceleration A, and in time t it has moved certain distance. So let the distance traveled by the object, distance covered by object in time t be s. We have to find a relation between the distance covered and various quantities that we were talking about earlier as well. Now, distance covered by an object, that is S in this case, can be calculated by calculating the area enclosed under this trapezium. Area enclosed under trapezium ABCO. Now, this trapezium can be divided into two parts. One is this triangle, one is this rectangle. So we can say area enclosed under this trapezium is area of triangle ABD plus area of rectangle ADCO. So we already know the formula half. Since it's a right angle triangle, here it's 90 degree perpendicular. So half into base into height. Base here is AD and height is BD. So I have substituted the value. For rectangle, what should I write? Length into breadth. You can take AD or OC, anything of your choice. Both are same. I have considered OC into, let's say, OA. Now we will substitute all the values. Half as it is. Instead of AD, AD is exactly same as OC. So I can put T. BD, BD I calculated. This thing is V, this is U. So again BD is going to be V minus U. Please remember, not U minus V. And we are going to put a big bracket here. Here S is already everywhere. OC is again T. OA is U. So if I write it, I am getting see, I'll compare it. What is required? UT is already there, S is already there, this 1T is already there. So what I want is this T square and AT. So can I again replace its value? How? I know that acceleration is equal to V minus U upon T. So I can replace it. V minus U can be written as AT. So I'm going to substitute this value, half T into AT plus UT. Half AT square plus UT. Hence, proved. Let us derive the third equation of motion, which is 2as is equals to v square minus u square. Again, everything will remain the same. Let us consider object was initially at A with initial velocity u, finally point is B with final velocity v, and in time t it has travelled certain distance, and that again has to be related with v and u. Let us start. So we have already seen distance covered by an object is s, which can be equated and calculated by calculating the area enclosed under this trapezium. So area enclosed under trapezium ABCO. This time we will not divide it into two parts and we will simply apply area of trapezium, which is half into sum of parallel sides into distance between them, or you can say height. So if we look at this trapezium, there are two parallel sides. OA is parallel to this side BC. So we are going to sum it, OA plus BC. And what is the distance between two parallel sides? This. OC is the distance. These are two parallel sides. OC is the distance. So we are going to multiply it by OC. Simply we have put the formula of area of trapezium. So we can bring this to here because everything is there in multiplication. Now OA, instead of OA we can write U. Instead of BC we can write V. and instead of OC we can write T. Now see, we have already got here U plus V, but we do not want T anywhere in our equation, so we are going to eliminate this again by using the same formula. A is equals to V minus U upon T. Now if I take this T there and A I bring down, I get, so I will substitute this value over here, U plus V into, instead of T I will put V minus U upon A, right? A again I bring to this side, 2AS is equal to V minus U into U plus V, or you can even write V plus U. We can think of algebraic identity over here. Which identity? Using A plus B into A minus B, which is A square minus B square. So here V minus U, V plus U can be written as V square minus U square. Here we have 2AS